Transferring BDO to an international bank is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, gather information. Recipient details. Obtain the recipient's full name, bank name, branch address, account number, and SWIFT code, and ensure all information is accurate and complete. Then transfer amount. Decide on the amount you want to transfer, accounting for any potential fees charged by BDO or the recipient bank. Also, consider currency exchange rates and potential fluctuations while determining the transfer amount. Now visit your nearest BDO branch or contact their customer service hotline and inform them of your intention to make an international wire transfer. Then provide the gathered recipient details and confirm the desired transfer amount. Be aware of BDO's fees for international wire transfers. These typically include a fixed transaction fee and a variable percentage fee based on the transfer amount. Additionally, the recipient bank may charge their fees. Ask BDO for a breakdown of all potential charges involved. BDO will verify the recipient's details and initiate the transfer process. Then processing times can vary depending on the destination country and bank. BDO will provide an estimated time frame for the transfer completion. Tracking and confirmation. BDO will offer a tracking number or reference code for your transaction. Then, use this to track the transfer progress and confirm its successful completion with the recipient.